What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get the ChatGPT AI in order to integrate it in your website. So here I have the OpenAI webpage opened, and what I want to do is go ahead and log in with my account. If you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and create one for free. Now I will click on login, and since I've already entered my email and password previously, I have the option between ChatGPT, DALL-E or API. So I'll choose API here. And in this page here, what you want to do is click on your name at the top right corner and then click on View API Keys. And here you can click on Create New Secret Key. So we'll click on it. So the name, let's name it Test Key. Okay, and then we can create secret key. Now here is your API. You can go ahead and click on the button here to copy it and then paste it in your website in order to integrate the ChatGPT services into your website.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.